Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to merge two contacts in your contacts profile within Craftify AI so that you can keep a really clean and easy ledger for all of your contacts. So to go ahead and get started, I'll just show you here. You'll see that these two names are very similar, but we also see that they have different contact IDs, so they've been placed here at different times. So what we can do is you're just going to click both of those contacts that we would like to merge, and we can come up here and we can choose the three dots and come down to choose the merge tab. By clicking merge, we're going to see which one of these is the most relevant or has the most information in it, and which email or name you would like to keep based off of both of those profiles. So I'll just go ahead and see that we have one that was created prior to the second one. You can see that the creation date is here as well. Then we can come down to see the values. We can choose which one we'd like to keep. Both of these emails look the same. One contact has the phone number, so we could have that already is selected. Go ahead and click next. And then we're going to see which of the logs that we would like to create. If we want to keep the first ones or the second ones or merge both, you'll see here a preview of all of the logs that you have. I'm pretty sure they're all the same. So we're going to go ahead and keep the primary logs and click next. And then what are we going to do with the second contact? Would we like to delete that second contact, or would we like to keep that and leave it as is in our contacts? So since we're merging, it's best to go ahead and choose delete, and we'll go ahead and merge those two contacts. So now Craftify AI is going to merge these together, and then it will give us the output of the new contact that's been created based off of merging. So we'll have all of that information from both of those contacts into one singular contact with one contact ID. If I come back over to contacts, we'll see that there's now only one entry for Parker King here. And that is how easy it is to merge two contacts that are the same, but with different information inside of them. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and happy crafting.